When almost done, open to check your mushroom and rice. Cut your mushrooms to strips. You can cut it into small chunks if you like. Close once more to let it continue cooking. Check if rice has completely broken down to a thick consistency. Add your favorite toppings like fried shallots, vegetarian floss with seaweed, shiitake mushroom sauce, and leeks. More black pepper, drizzle of sesame oil,